Hello everyone, Joey Riz here coming to you with another video, and I know you're wondering, Joey, why are you wearing an apron and why are you in the kitchen? Well, I do things about tech and travel, but this is tech, food tech. This is the Beyond Meat Beyond Burger. I just found this at my local grocer's freezer, and I figured I'd cook it for you. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's do a typical unboxing. This is, Beyond Meat, 20 grams of protein. 2 patties are in here. I think I got this for around $6 or so. So, I mean, it's a little pricey, but, it is a new thing. We have our calorie counter here, 270 calories. Okay, great. They recommend either a barbecue or a skillet. We're going to go in my cast iron, of course. 3 minutes per side, and yeah, let's get to it. Slide on out, and that's it. It's a super easy unboxing experience. Oh, 2 layers of plastic. All right, let's get it out. Okay, let's check these things out. That is pretty convincing. I know you can't smell it. I wish I had smell-o-vision. It's very interesting smell as well. But yeah, that's about as thick as they are. I think they're around 4 ounces per burger. But yeah, let's get them seasoned up and on the skillet. Can't find anything when I need to. So we're just going to do a really easy season on this. I figure we want to let the meat or non-meat speak for itself. So just kosher salt, pepper, and garlic. Liberally, because we want this thing to taste good. Wow, they kind of feel pretty interesting. Okay, so our burgers are all seasoned up. We're going to be using this big cast iron skillet. This is my favorite cooking utensil. We're going to be using avocado oil because of its high smoke point, because I want to get this ripping hot and get a good crust on these burgers. I must say, this is going to be my first time eating Beyond Meat. I've had Impossible for quite a few times, but I never cooked any of them. So this is my first time, so you're seeing it along with me. This is my first for everything for Beyond.
The real test is going to be if Butters begs for some.
Oh, that would be interesting. All right, I think we may be hot enough for the oil. Like I said, this is it's got a really high smoke point, extra virgin avocado oil. We just need a little bit in there, and all right, let's get these guys in the oil. Oh, yep, that's definitely hot enough. Let's lower it down just a little. Oh, look at that. Nice sizzle, just like a real live burger. Hey Google, set a time for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
I want to get like a medium rare on this. I don't know if that's really the term to use, but I do want it to be pink in the middle. Try to make it look like a real burger. What?
Smells good.
I mean, it doesn't smell like meat, but I smell the spices and I smell some kind of other odor, but I'm not quite sure what it is.
I smell garlic.
You smell garlic.
I smell garlic.
Well, I wanted it to be flavorful. I didn't want it to like block out all the flavors of meat, but I want it to taste good. Yeah. It doesn't really seem to be getting like any real color so far, up the sides or anything. But we'll test it when we flip it.
I'm just worried that the smoke alarm's gonna go off.
It is probably gonna go off.
You should probably take it down.
All right. Emergency, take it down the smoke alarm so we don't hear it during the video.
She's very sensitive.
Nest, I love you, but you're loud. Don't do this. Don't normally do this, okay?
And then they died.
ASMR. All right, alarm, let's flip. Let's follow their directions.
Hey Google, stop.
I mean, that is color. I'm not sure if it's a great color, but it is color.
It's orange.
Kind of orange.
Like carrot orange.
My only thing is it's not getting like a color around the burger like a normal burger would. It's not like penetrating. It's only what's hitting the pan is actually getting color. While that's going, I'm gonna get my my buns ready over here. I got some really nice split top burger buns. These were, kind of from the bakery section, so they're not like super store-bought kind of things. But let's get a knife and slice these open. Should we toast the buns?
Yes, let's toast the buns.
Once I'm ready to take the burgers off, I'll throw those on, and then we'll assemble. And I'll try to get a cross section for you, like Babish style. So stay tuned. See, sometimes I like to talk to my food. Like, come on, cook. I ain't got all day. I'm hungry. All right, let's turn that off, and let's get these burgers out. Let's see the underside and how that looks now. Oh, it's okay. We got a nice little crust on there. A little bit of that's a little blackening, browning kind of. Okay, so let's put the buns in, and yeah, let's get cooking. All right, so new plan. We're not going to dress them up because we actually kind of want to taste them the way they are. I, already put a little bit of spice on there, so no more onion and stuff. So we got them together here. Let's go over the table here and see if we can get you a nice cross section. We got our toasted buns, which is really nice. But let me get that knife and let's see how it looks. What do you think, Nicole? What are we gonna get?
I really don't know.
Oh, look at that. That is kind of like a medium rare thing, and we can actually squeeze it and get some juice out. Oh, look at that. It is. That replicates a burger pretty well. Should I taste it? Should I
Go for it.
try it? You can try it after, I promise. That's my wife, by the way, on the camera. It's the first time.
Hi.
Well, the feel of meat is there. Like the chew, that's definitely there. I do like the overall flavor. I am getting, just the toastedness. Oh, the cat. She's actually thinks I have real meat. Look at that. I guess that's a thing. Let's give her a little piece. Let's see if she goes for it. No, I think she knows. I mean, it's not meat, but it definitely feels like it would be. Do you wanna try, Nicole?
Give me a bite.
Here, give me the camera. Let's see what she's got. Yeah?
It tastes a lot better than I thought it would.
Okay. These burger companies are getting pretty good. This is my first time having this one, and kind of pleasantly surprised. I mean, it is expensive, but if you are a vegan or vegetarian, these are actually a pretty good option.
I was very skeptical.
Yeah. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. Hit subscribe. I know this is kind of a weird one for me, but I really thought it was kind of cool. Techie food. That is the future. All right. It's been Joey Riz. See you later.